My name is Eden Binega and I engineer habitation. I was drawn to the field of engineering when I was in high school. The moment that we started from the blueprint and then put that into a 3D model kind of inspired me to study civil engineering. Me and my professor were doing a project on 3D printing of a home for the community using sustainable materials. So we focus on hempcrete, bamboo, and clay-based material. Combining sustainability and 3D printing technology will bring a very huge role to decrease the emission of carbon dioxide. Engineering for me is to build something that's safe, affordable, and sustainable. And in my case, as a structural engineer, that is building a habitat for human beings.